When I came to this area in January of 2022, I was told immediately that I needed to meet the leaders and members of the NEPA Healthcare Foundation Board, because the NEPA Healthcare Foundation is one of the most significant supporters of scholarships at Geisinger Commonwealth School of Medicine. They've made a tremendous impact, and we're grateful for their support. I had the opportunity to meet them shortly after I arrived here.
Since Northeastern Pennsylvania Healthcare Foundation's inception, we have granted over 60 grants to local organizations. We like to think of them as some bigger grants, what we call home runs, such as our donation to the medical school, the scholarship fund, where we have sponsored innumerable students with scholarships to the medical school. Recently, we've started a program of workforce enhancement to people in the behavioral health field, which we identified as a key problem in our area, dealing with the workforce and behavioral health. So we looked at them as our home runs, and along the way we've hit a lot of singles and doubles. Smaller grants, organizations like the Boys Club in St. Joe's, Children's Resource Center, and innumerable other organizations in our area.
The NEPA HCF really impacts the local community. As a medical student, it made it a lot easier to attend medical school. And then later on, that equity that was built, I was able to leave education and be able to continue my life in a much easier way, putting a down payment on a house without worrying significantly about medical student loans. And just the overall impact that they have on the community in general, not just on medical students, but what they give back into this community to, on my level, was having more ease of access into medical school and to not worry as much about things in medical school. But me coming back to the community, which was always my plan to come back and practice medicine in the community, that bringing that back just further serves the community itself.
The current hospital situation, the crisis that is facing Northeastern Pennsylvania, the closing of the possible closing of 3 hospitals. The Northeastern Pennsylvania Healthcare Foundation is supporting these hospitals. They have come forward with a group of other foundations, and they are all working hard to try to make sure that there is a transition to a new ownership of the hospitals, and doing everything that they can to avert the hospitals closing.
Our medical school was founded with the goal of creating a physician workforce for Northeast Pennsylvania, and the NEPA Healthcare Foundation has helped us do just that. The NEPA Healthcare Foundation has provided 20 scholarships to our medical students, and those scholarships are inspirational. They generally go to students who grew up in this area, and the goal of those scholarships is to keep them in this area. And in fact, we already have 4 physicians, 4 new doctors in Northeastern Pennsylvania who were supported with those scholarships, and more are on the way.
If I had to describe NEPA Healthcare Foundation in one word, it would be impactful.
Caring.
Visionary.
Transformational.
I would like to congratulate all the people, past and present, in NEPA Healthcare Foundation on receiving this award.
Congratulations to all members of the Northeastern Pennsylvania Healthcare Foundation. Thank you for your support of this community. You're really making a big difference.
On behalf of the Scranton Area Community Foundation, we congratulate the Northeastern Pennsylvania Healthcare Foundation on receiving this 2025 Outstanding Foundation Award. We are proud to celebrate with you.